Hello students, today we'll do letter writing and there are two types of letters, informal letters and formal letters. Informal letters are letters to parents, relatives, friends and acquaintances, and formal letters are to the business firms, editor of newspaper application. So we'll do informal letter. Format of an informal letter, how to write. First we write our own address, the writer's address, then we write the date, then the salutation, my dear uncle, aunt, or my dear father, respected uncle, then the body, whatever letter we have to write, then last yours affectionately and our name. Now the date can be written as October 1 20 or 1st October 20 or 1st October 2000. This salutation can be written as my dear father or dear uncle. Capitalize the words father and uncle. My capital, F capital, dear uncle both capital. Subscription, in the last you can write yours affectionately, lovingly, your affectionate son or your loving daughter or son, etc. Don't write yours apostrophe. There should be no apostrophe in yours. Most of the people get confused and they write apostrophe. Also with affectionately it is yours. With affectionate son, daughter, etc. it is your affectionate son, daughter, or yours affectionately. Okay, so yours affectionately or yours lovingly and your affectionate son, not yours. Okay, and no apostrophe should come in this. So I am telling you some two. First, write a letter to your ailing mother. Ailing mother means who is not well. Bimar, inquiring about her health. Now you are in the hostel, boys hostel, Mussoorie Public School, Mussoorie. You can write any address of the hostel. Then October 12 or date, whatever it is, you'll write. My dear mother, I received a letter from daddy yesterday and was very upset to learn that your bronchitis still persists and the medicines are not proving very effectively. That your mother is ill and you are telling ki I had received a letter, daddy, and he told me that your medicines are not proving very effective. I am anxious to come back home and be by your side at this time of your illness. But you know the school authorities are very strict and won't permit me to miss my term examination. I shall come home as soon as my examination is over. In the meantime, kindly keep me informed about the progress of your health. I sincerely hope you are acting to the doctor's advice and are taking a nourishing and balanced diet. Please do not become careless in taking your medicines. Perhaps it may be advisable to seek a second opinion also. I hope to meet you soon. Yours affectionately, Rahul. So you have to write. This letter is specimen letter is in your grammar book. So write this letter from your book in your fair note. Now one more letter. Write a letter to your uncle thanking him for the birthday present he had sent for you. Now you'll write your address, then date, then dear uncle, thanks a lot for the lovely present you sent me on my birthday. When I opened the parcel containing your present, I was thrilled. The beautiful wristwatch you sent me was urgently needed by me. As usual, you did not forget my birthday. I am really grateful to you for your care and affection. With utmost love and regards to you and auntie and a lot of thanks. Yours affectionately, Parvesh. Paresh, you can write your name. So these are the letters, 3 specimen letters I have given you. Write them in your fair notebook. And 3 letters from your book and 4 letters from your exercise. Letter writing exercise will be the syllabus. First one, write a letter to your younger brother advising him to be careful in spending his pocket money. Fourth one, write a letter to your father requesting him to buy a camera as to buy a bicycle. In the same way you'll write to buy a camera. And sixth one, write a letter to your friend inviting him to attend the marriage of your brother. You have to write a letter to your friend that my brother's marriage is on so and so date, so please come. I invite you with your family. I hope you'll come. You'll write the letter like this. And 10th one, write a letter to your friend regretting your inability to attend his birthday party. that in 10th letter you have to write that your friend has invited you for a birthday party and you can't attend it. So give the reason why you can't attend, that you have got an urgent work, or your someone is coming, some guest has come, or any reason you can write. So write those 3-4 letters, 1, 4, 6, 10. Practice them in rough notebook and write these in fair. This is the syllabus of letter writing for your term. Now the next letter, write a letter to your father requesting him to buy you a cycle. First you will write your address, then date, then dear Papa, you will be glad to know that I have secured 86% marks in class 7. Let me remind you, class 6, let me remind you of your promise that if I score good marks, you will get me a bicycle. I request you humbly to keep your word. So please do let me have a cycle as soon as you come back home from your official tour. I look forward eagerly to your returning home. I am very keen to have my very first bicycle. Yours affectionately, Parvesh. Write this letter in your